Hi guys! For today's mini vlog, let's visit first impression artwork for my son photoshoot and cake smash. So this is how it looks like from the inside. Very modern and millennial design. They offer indoor and outdoor photography for newborn and maternity, family. They do casting, 3D hand and foot, sculpture, and jewelry, engraving, and many more. And this is one of the unique way to treasure the loving memories of your children and family for years to come. So, and this is Snowy. They have a play area for kids as well. So let's begin the behind scene for my Chrysler. Diyos ko guys, lahat ng pagpapatawa ginawa ng daddy at ate Noe niya. Pero yan, iyak pa rin siya. May mga nakuwang magandang shots naman. So, this first impression artwork pala guys, they are located in Al Barsha 3, Dubai. So if you want to visit their website or you want to see their Instagram to see some offer for your kids and family, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa comment section yung link nila. And also guys, they have very professional, accommodating, and friendly staff. So hindi talaga kayo magsisisi pag dito kayo nag-book. So ayan si Chrysler for his second theme shoot para sa cake smashing. Yan, konting picture-picture. Medyo naiinis na siya dyan guys kasi hindi nakumpleto yung tulog niya kaninang umaga. So ayan, todo assist kami sa kanya para hindi siya mainis at lalong umiyak. Diyos ko guys, ang hirap naman pala ng trabaho ng assistant photographer. So kailangan talaga mahaba yung pasensya mo para ma-assist mo yung bata para hindi umiyak din. So baka naman, first impression artwork, I should get paid on this. Cheers lang! So, special thank you pala kay Ate Laylay. Siya yung gumawa ng cake, nag-bake ng cake ni Chrysler, tsaka nag-design, at tsaka nag-decorate. Ilalagay ko sa comment section yung page niya. Nagtitinda rin siya ng iba't ibang pagkain. Nagdi-deliver siya online around the Al Barsha area only. So, kung gusto niyo mag-order sa kanya, mag-PM lang kayo sa page niya. And nare-replyan kayo. And also, thank you pala kay Katie, our professional photographer for today. Siya rin yung nag-photoshoot kay Chrysler before nung 12 days old siya. Kinuha siyang on-call model sa first impression. Nasa Instagram link din nila yon. Naka-display doon. And binigyan din kami ng complimentary family shoot kahit hindi kasama sa package. Diyos ko, buti na lang naka-ready ako. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching.